The Indian Air Force possesses evidence confirming that Pakistan Air Force Saab 2000 AWACS was shot down by an Indian S-400 system, 315 kilometers inside Pakistani territory. That makes it the second Saab 2000 AWACS loss for Pakistan. The Indian Army is set to conduct a second life extension exercise for its in-service Merch rockets that will enhance shelf life, reliability and operational readiness of this 90 km range multiple rocket launcher system. The Indian Army has recently issued a call to Indian industry, inviting proposals for the development of anti-personnel warheads, specifically designed for deployment via drones, and must be compatible with kamikaze drones and first-person view drones. The Indian Army has started procurement process for battlefield reconnaissance drones. Satellite images from US firm AMCA Technologies confirms that the Brahmos missile strike that destroyed the aircraft hangar at Pakistan's Shahbaz Air Base was home to Pakistan Air Force's F-16 squadron, and 4 F-16 aircraft were destroyed on ground. Veda Aeronautics has started prototype development of a canister-launched loitering munition for the Indian Army's BMP-2 platform. Tonbo Imaging has upgraded the 84mm Carl Gustaf rocket launcher with its Fury sight, enabling day and night operations, auto-target tracking, and higher first-hit probability. The success of the indigenously developed Akashteer air defense system has drawn interest from other countries. India will make a strong case with the FATF to revert Pakistan to its grey list for failure to comply with anti-money laundering and terror financing rules. Pakistan Aeronautics has been tasked with integrating indigenously developed software-defined radios onto the Indian Air Force's fleet of 6 IL-78 mid-air refueling tankers. The Andhra Pradesh government has pitched for moving the production of AMCA and Tejas production to Andhra Pradesh, and the state government has proposed 10,000 acres of land for AMCA production facility at an area that is an hour away from the Bengaluru airport. Pakistan Aeronautics Limited has confirmed that the first batch of Prachand helicopters will be delivered to the Indian Armed Forces starting March 2028. After delivering first F-404 engine to Pakistan Aeronautics in March 2025, General Electric has failed to deliver the second F-404 engine that was scheduled last month. Under a $600 million contract signed in 2020 for 6 Apaches, Boeing has failed to deliver even a single Apache helicopter to the Indian Army that was originally scheduled for May 2024. US President Donald Trump-linked crypto deal with Pakistan has raised eyebrows in India, as Pakistan has signed a major cryptocurrency agreement with World Liberty Financial, in which Donald Trump's family holds a 60% stake. The Moroccan army is integrating Israeli 105mm and 120mm turrets of Elbit systems on the WAP ordered from Tata Advanced Systems. Russia has announced that the first foreign customer of the Su-57 will start operating the aircraft in 2025. Amid reports that short-sighted stance of the Airports Authority of India have significantly impacted critical flight trials of sensitive defense programs at the DRDO's Aeronautical Test Range facility, top officials from the Prime Minister's office and the Ministry of Defense have conducted a high-level review of operational bottlenecks at the facility. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.